Now, how are these hormones produced? Which part of our body produces hormones and what are they called? They are called endocrine glands. Commonly, they are also called ductless glands. What does that mean? There is no duct. Then, how is their secretion transported? It is poured into blood and transported by blood. And what is the secretion? The hormones. So, we will say they produce hormones which are transported by blood the site where they are produced, like for example, I told you that pituitary gland is situated at the base of the brain. But where does thyroid stimulating hormone act? On the thyroid gland, which is in the neck region. So, that means the site of production and the site of action are different. Site of production and action are different. That is why the transportation is required. It is not just at that point, and there is no duct. So, which medium circulates in the entire body? The blood. So, it is circulated by blood. Another important thing which will explain why there are diseases is that hormones have to be produced in specific amount. Produced in specific amount. That is why the moment there is excess or there is deficiency, there is a problem. More growth hormones, gigantism. Less growth hormones, dwarfism. Less production of insulin, diabetes. More production of adrenaline, more sensitivity. More thyroxine, hyperthyroidism. And if it is less, then hypothyroidism. So, that means the hormones have to be produced only in the appropriate amount, and that is why there are anomalies or there are diseases, which also means that the production also has to be stopped at right time, just like you switch off electricity, you cannot continue with it. So, what is that switches off? And that is called negative feedback, which means the moment there is excess of a hormone produced, then there is a trigger which says that this has to be stopped, and that is controlled by the pituitary gland.